Where did all the chickens and the ducks go?
When you have chickens and ducks, and you also have dogs, there can be a conflict.
Apparently, they were sitting there right next to the fence so the dogs could bark at them. Is this your favorite place?
This is Romeo. He loves chickens and ducks. He thinks they're delicious.
Matosisham. I think we have a problem.
This is Leo. His strategy is to bark at the chickens and ducks. The chickens don't care. They like to get very close to the fence. They think that the dogs are amusing. As someone who loves both chickens and ducks and dogs, I believe in the proverb that says, strong fences make good neighbors. And as long as there's a fence between them, they will get along.